Most people think remote desktop tools are complicated or paid. But what if I show you a completely free tool that lets you control another computer in a second? In this quick video, I will show you how to download, install, and use UltraViewer on your Windows 11 and connect two computers live easily. Now, without wasting time, open up your any browser and paste this URL from my video description that will land you directly on UltraViewer official website. Here you will see the download button. If this menu swipe left side, you could also go ahead and click on this download. Now at the download page, we have two options. The first option is install exe file of UltraViewer in your computer. The second option we have that is download portable zip file, which is unsupported. This will directly download the UltraViewer file that will run without the install. Like we don't need to install that file. So for now, let's go ahead and download it because I want to install it in my computer and it's only 3 megabyte. So it will download quickly. Let's go ahead, open it for the installation. Yes, that's fine. I want to install it in C drive. I want to keep the same name and I also want to create a desktop shortcut icon. Click next and then install. This will take few seconds to install this quick, easy and a little application. Okay, it's finished and we want to launch UltraViewer on my computer. And here you go. UltraViewer has been installed on my computer and here we have two options. The first option is allow a remote control to someone else. The second option is control a remote computer. Now we want to control a remote computer and we need partner ID and a password for the remote computer. So now let's go ahead and quickly install UltraViewer on a remote computer so that I will show you how to connect a remote computer from my host computer. Now here is my host computer. Let me open up any browser. Let me open the next tab and here I will write download UltraViewer. Just make sure you are downloading it on the correct website, that is ultraviewer.net. Okay, let's go to the download folder. Let's double click this file. Click yes. Next, next, next. Yes, I want to create a desktop shortcut icon. Okay, we want to launch UltraViewer because we will test by accessing this computer. Now let me put up this ID in my host computer so that I can connect to this remote computer. The partner ID is 22461 978 and the password is 1931 and 9. Now let's click on connect to the partner. And here you see my computer is connected to this remote computer. Let's go back and verify it. Okay, perfect. Here we have chat option, screen capturing option, even the recording of the video option and a lot other option. You could check them yourself. I'm not going to explain you all of them one by one. So let me disconnect and again connect to the partner. I am connected to remote computer very easily. So that's it about today's quick video on how to download and install a quick UltraViewer software and how to connect remotely to your computers or desktop. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.